In this video, I'm going to explain how you can get Spotify Wrapped. If it isn't working. So on my account, I've got Spotify Wrapped. You can see I can click on it, and then here is Spotify Wrapped. But if it isn't working for you, I've got a couple of solutions which might help you out. So the first one is to just simply go ahead and close out Spotify and then reopen it. And if you reopen it, you might see Spotify Wrapped, and this is what it should look like. You should see it under your music. If you don't see it, then there are a couple of things that you can do. The first thing, go to Chrome and just go ahead and type in on Chrome or any web browser Spotify Wrapped, and then you can go ahead and click on 2021 Wrapped. That will take you to this page here, and then you can listen to the 2021 highlights by clicking that link, and then it should take you into Spotify Wrapped. The next thing you can do, you can go to settings, go ahead and then go to App Store, and just either clear your cache or make sure that the app updates is enabled. The final thing you can do, you can go to Twitter, go ahead and go to the Spotify Twitter, and they've actually got a link here to Spotify Wrapped, so you can try that as well, and that should take it into your account.